Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken house, only way. Begin by choosing a level, sheltered location, and sketch a simple layout with measurements. Prioritize ventilation for fresh air, secure latches for predator protection, and raised roosts for comfort. Use durable materials that withstand weather and are easy to clean. Think about future access for egg collection and maintenance to keep your flock healthy and safe. Select a stable foundation, like concrete blocks or treated timbers, for long life and level support. Frame the coop with pressure-treated lumber or rot-resistant boards, keeping walls square and corners reinforced. Include openings for easy floor replacement and drainage, and design the frame to support a pitched roof and insulation if needed. Position doors for convenient access and secure attachment points for hard. Install nesting boxes sized for your hens and place them lower than roosts, but off the ground for easy egg collection. Provide roosts with about 3.5 inches of perch width per bird and smooth edges to prevent injury. Cover vents and windows with hardware cloth, bury mesh at least 12 inches to deter digging predators, and use lockable latches on all doors. Make cleaning access easy to maintain hygiene and flock health.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.